Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel Teesside Ste&Dee. These are the stories I really don't like. 80 dogs found in squalid conditions, house full of feces, 2 cats and a chicken. Owner has done a runner and the RSPC have rescued these dogs from this home. Cruelty to animals I just can't tolerate. It tears on your heartstrings. This owner has to be found, brought to book and sent away for a very long time. This is an absolute disgrace. 80 pretty much predominantly Springer Spaniels, beautiful dogs, living in absolute squalor. Flea-ridden, feces everywhere, and I said 2 cats and a chicken. Owner nowhere to be found. It just absolutely breaks your heart when animals, defenseless animals are treated in this way. Absolutely sickening.